If you gonna make me compromise my brand, James, I can't be a part of this.
Because y'all putting work in for 49th and creating value for the company. So
I'm big on that love thing, you heard?
it's you're anti-love.
I mean, love doesn't mean a girlfriend.
Hold on, let's get to the meat of the matter.
You can't say that.
Because
why you were
we can debate that. We gonna debate.
It's like he was dead ass serious. You thought he was dead ass serious. Your perspective is your universe. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're an ant, the ant's perspective is far different than ours. Like all they know is giant flowers and leaves, and we can just look on the floor and pick up a flower and put it in our hand. We're in totally different universes. You know what I'm saying? So, alright, boom. I got an idea. Tell me if this is good enough or this is not good enough. Money and love.
So if you was talking about that, you wouldn't say a shorty or glazing. Cause you,
what are you talking about? E, get the book out. What are you talking about?
I would never. But if I talk about wifey, I would never say shorty.
Lifestyle.
Bro. New York City, baby. Random people that have cribs. See people that don't got, that sleeping, and what's the name? The trains and all that? The only thing I know.